What's wrong?
At this point, I should fucking just bump start it. Save the fuse for when we really need it.
What the fuck?
Dude, it just died. You heard it. I mean, I just went to go and
Well, you can't bump start it on certain hills.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Just bump start now and save the fuse for when we need it. I mean,
But it's fucking none of your lights and shit. Well,
I'll do it right here. This little.
What? That way?
Use the dip.
Oh yeah, it's downhill.
downhill.
You might be able to go drop in right here.
Yeah, there you go.
I can just fucking bump start right here. It should fire right off.
Oh yeah. Bro, I barely go in my bump start.
We should go this way, T-Mac. I don't think we've been this way.
I don't think we've been either of these ways, have we?
Yeah, go check it out before we get into something fucked and his bike ain't starting. Something stupid as fuck.